Welcome to Celebration and Honor channel. This channel is dedicated to celebrating global events, sharing inspiring stories of beneficiaries, honoring the unsung heroes, professional bodies and organizations whose invaluable contributions often go unrecognized. Also showing solidarity with victims of injustice by amplifying their voices and sharing their stories. Now today's celebration, World Refugee Day. On World Refugee Day, we'll uncover the untold stories of strength and survival. Stay with us till the end to learn how you can help make a real impact in the lives of refugees. The theme of our celebration, honoring the strength and resilience of refugees. On this World Refugee Day, we honor the courage, resilience, and strength of millions of refugees forced to flee due to conflict, persecution, or disaster. Refugees are not just survivors of hardship. They are individuals and families with dreams, skills, and potential to contribute to the societies that welcome them. While their journeys are filled with struggles, the story of refugees is one of hope, perseverance, and the desire to build a better life. Refugees bring new perspectives, talents, and cultures that enrich the communities they join. By offering refuge, we don't just help individuals, we help build a more inclusive, compassionate world. World Refugee Day is a chance to celebrate the transformative contributions refugees make to their new societies. With the right support, refugees can not only survive but thrive. Today, let us recognize the importance of welcoming refugees, providing the tools they need to rebuild their lives, and allowing them to contribute to their communities. Through solidarity, we can create a more just and peaceful world. Just a quick break. Please, if you are learning something, consider subscribing to our channel and turn on notification to get updates on upcoming events. Subscription is free. Welcome back. The power of resilience, stories of survival, hope, and transformation. In Colombia, Carlos, who fled violence in Venezuela. When I arrived in Colombia, I didn't know where to start. The organization helped me with job training, gave me a safe space to learn, and helped me understand my legal rights. Today, I am working as an engineer, and I have a steady income to support my family. I never thought I could have a normal life again, but I have proven that with support, anything is possible. In the United States, Maria, a refugee from Central America, reflects on her journey. I fled violence and was uncertain about my future. But an organization helped me with housing, health services, and job opportunities. I started working in a local community center, and now I am leading programs for other refugees, helping them adjust and navigate their new lives. This is more than survival. This is about empowerment to all those supporting refugees. Thank you for your dedication. To all the organizations, individuals, and communities supporting refugees, we thank you for your dedication and compassion. Your work is essential in providing hope and opportunities for millions of people who have been displaced by conflict and disaster. Through your efforts, refugees are not just surviving, they are rebuilding, contributing, and becoming integral parts of their new societies. You are providing a lifeline to those who need it most, and we honor you for your continued commitment to making the world a better place. If you haven't yet engaged with organizations supporting refugees, now is the time. Whether through volunteering, donating, or raising awareness, your involvement can make a lasting impact. Happy World Refugee Day. Let's raise our glasses to honor the unsung heroes of refugee. I hope you gained some valuable insight from today's celebration. Thank you for watching. Please, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring celebrations. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours. Love and blessings, Titus Ogba Terre. Shalom. Now, upcoming event. Coming next, the 21st of June, International Day of Yoga. The 23rd of June, United Nations Public Service Day. The 23rd of June, International Widows' Day. Please check channel for updates. Thank you and stay blessed.